All right, welcome back to the project. This is the 1992 Club Car DS gas-powered golf cart. Just got done putting the engine and the transaxle back in it after doing a whole bunch of work. Change the carburetor, clean the magneto, and let's see how she runs. Had to choke it a little bit, get her to go. Whoa. All right. Well, there she is. Transaxle transmission's repaired, engine's running. It's a little cold nature to start with for right now, but I think we just need to run it a little bit more. So we'll see how she holds up. There's a gray ghost over there, Skull Crusher, and that's Ghost. That's what the kids are calling them. This one's called Ghost. That one's called Skull Crusher. All right, stay tuned.